Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I have an unboxing from Happy Cute, and this is a surprise goodie bag. Right on top it says your order was packed with love and care by Mo. That's cute. So this surprise bag has at least 15 goodies in it. So there could be stickers or plushies, stationery, all sorts of stuff. It says Happy Cute on it. It's adorable. I love getting these little surprise bags that have kawaii items. They're adorable. Look how cute this is. How sweet. A panda plush charm. Oh, and they're also doing a giveaway, so I will put all that information in the description box below. One lucky winner will win a surprise bag. Here we have another little keychain. How cute. That's adorable. It's pink and white. Oh, is this a little coin purse or a little wallet? So here's a little bag, zipper pouch. Very cute. Also have, it says it's a collecting box. It has a little divider in there. So you can put vitamins in there if you wanted. It has little pills on here. Or you could probably use it for any kind of little trinkets. Just a little container. Guess this is a bracelet. Oh, that's cute. And it looks like little M&Ms on there. Little pink ones. That's really cute. Oh, it's not a bracelet. Hair tie, maybe? Oh, I think they're hair ties. That's even better. I'm going to use those. Those are adorable. Here's a bracelet. Kawaii bracelet with some yellow stars. This one's a little hair bow, the little clip, and it has like little puff balls inside of it. That's adorable. Have a little keychain or a bag charm, the ice cream cone, a star. I love this stuff. What else do we have? This, oh neat. Is this a little make your own bracelet? Little DIY set? That's adorable. Yeah. That's cute. All sorts of different beads, blocks, stars, peace signs, flowers, little roses, hearts, all sorts of stuff. Another little clip. Looks like a little bear. Ooh, I got one of these last time. I'm gonna go ahead and open this up and show you what it is. So it kind of looks like a little piece of chocolate or a candy bar, but you open it up. There's a mirror on one side, I'll try not to blind you, and a little comb, and then it just folds inside. I think that's fun. I had something like that as a kid, so that's what that reminds me of. Oh, ooh. Hello Kitty socks. I love those. And then we have a little plushie. Looks like it's another zipper pouch. I'll go ahead and open that. Here's what it looks like. That's super cute. And the cord that it's on actually has like a bungee string on it. That's neat. There's a plastic pouch here, so you can put like a card or an ID in there. And then this part unzips, so you can put more goodies in there. And let's see, there's a couple more things at the bottom here. Oh, adorable. Little hair clips. Look at that. That's so cute. Can't wait till Raylan actually has hair so I can put stuff like that in her hair. And let's see, cute in fashion. What is this? Probably a mirror. Let me open it and find out. Yep, so it is a mirror. It just folds down so you can put it in your purse. Very cool. So that is what came in my Happy Cute surprise bag. Like I said, they are doing a giveaway, so I will put that link in the description box and in the comment section below. And I will also put information about their website in case you want to check it out. Thank you so much for watching. Bye, guys. Bye.